Listen, rank, piss up beard, bleach out face, almost was famous, then drop off on the earth, and I try and crawl back now. Mr. Has been, yo, hey, Dr. Boy, blood clot, khago, whatever the fuck, hey, check. I joke people, that's my last time a man like that. Everything is good, everything is good. We're not gonna take it like that. People, listen. May I make an admission? Watch this. So, the man saying I'm song, right? If you don't know, Khago released a song recently, and the song was released called Khago Kill Vloggers. In the song, about a dozen people said it, come give me this morning early. I'm like, why is my phone going off like this? Souflo, you don't see this? Man, put your name in a song and this year. I'm so used to that now. Somebody calling on my name somewhere, like every friggin' day. I usually don't pay no attention to them. This one today though, somebody say, Khago, put your name in a song. Khago just do, what's in next song name? See me not even remember the name of the man song them. I hate to do this and damage a youth career when I'm try build back. When I'm try return to the scene, right? I'm wishing nothing but the best for every person out there that's trying, man. So, I'm not going to tear up your thing still. You know what I said? Well, watch it. Khago called me out and Khago sent me down to Miami and dance. Go. The line went exactly like this. The pen and paper, the one line there. The whole song was not worth pen and paper, and honestly, because the song weak as frick, it's just a mention of people named in a song that are known in the vlog world and vlogging world on YouTube, and because of that, people are gonna mention, right? But it's a smart, strategic move, and I like it. Big up yourself, Khago. Go and do your thing, but be careful by you to your tread. All right. So he said, the one Facebook hero. Got a poop in his face in the word zero. Because a Facebook hero gonna answer this enough. Him and the dirty one Souflo down in Miami and dance go. So right now, I'm gonna accept I'm gonna let a little secret out the back, right? Me down in Miami and dance go. Okay. I do strip on the side. Okay, I strip on the side, I dance for women. I take off my clothes and dance for women, them fling money for me. I pick up the money, and I go on my business. So, I'm a go-go dancer for women. My thing is, the only way Khago would have known that is if him I go in at the club them. Well, if I go in at the club them, go look for male reviews, because the male reviews me dance, right? So if I go in at the club them, go look for a man and dance. And I talk about we don't have Miami and dance go. So the real question is, what are you doing in a male dancer's club, Khago? You ain't there watching man and dance at top. It's style up everybody and it's all good or all fun. I don't have nothing wrong with it at all. But listen to it, it's a big joke to me. We'll cloud out the thing and leave it there. So the gun talk thing, it ain't going nowhere. None of them boy are fast with it like me. None of them boy I break it down and put it back together in the dark. That's because I was trained to do that and 10 years of living that life. Doing that. An infantry soldier, combat ready, everything like that. So combat certified, everything like that. But me know say is a song and I know it's all for publicity. So me not gonna even look at it nothing serious like say it might give a gun talk and them thing there. Khago go and do your thing. Cause up to date day, me never remember nothing about you. And I was one of the vloggers that actually defended him when he first come out. I was one of the first vloggers that actually defended him when he cut off him dreads and bleach out him face and I think bore his nose or something, pierce up or something like that. And me, that one of them when I say, yo, you have to make the man live his life. He never once said that to man no bubble ras and all these other things, right? And him say, I take a page out of cartel book, so he might change up his image. Really and truly, when a man start bleach, if him ever decides to him done with that thing there, he might go back to him blackness, right? So I figured he was just doing that. So I give him thing, not really get a forward, but I was basically telling people to left the man alone. So my name show up, so me dog in Miami, I dance go. So me I go make it known, say yeah, me dance go sometime. Yeah, for girl, not for man. So I don't know how him know that unless in India watch man and dance. Some of them man here watch them follow them woman go meal review strip club, you know, and them thing there. Hear me I said. Khago said that him could have never do vlogging. I guess because it sounds too much like fagging or something. Man sit down behind them computer keyboard and throw shots and whatever like that. Okay, here's the real deal. None of them artists here want to see them broke like church mouse. None of them don't have a pot to piss in or a window to throw it through, right? And let me tell you, the shows have dried up, the stardom, the notoriety, they're clawing for it to get some back, and nothing I'm going for them. A lot of vloggers are actually doing better than these artists. I say, God, I say, a lot of vloggers are doing better than a lot of these artists. Go check the video what Souflo TV do. What me say, the artists them need to link with the vloggers them, and maybe, cause when you have vloggers out there that have a fan base, if I can get thousands of people to tune in a 24-hour period.
There are so many choices for identity thieves on the dark web, but you can protect yourself.
See that we not even remember. But anyway, yeah man, I think he did. I think we walked out at the wrong time and he actually did come and perform, but there was a big controversy behind it, like him set cut short or something. That's not what we come to talk about. Dexter had the Boom album last year, right? Right now I'm thinking still the power repeat. This year, the album that leading up, may I say this to Jabba them. Yo, Jabba, we don't need to get Khago on Best of the Best 2018. I don't know how that would work out still because I don't know what the relationship is as far as cordial friendship goes with the lineup of artists that's going to be called. You know, it's a film industry full of all kind of crap in a barrel fight. And if you're not in a this crew, and if you say something about that, the producer and the producer they work with this one, you can tell the artist that, yo, don't make a boy in the
Souflo, I don't know that Souflo. I feel Jesus himself come down and touch upon your heart because you talk so sense to it. I don't know if I'm afraid of Cagonians, that is Souflo, but you talk sense. I really Souflo. Jesus.
and this kind of thing, right? So, I don't know who and how the relationship is with the lineup of artists they have now, but it would be something splendid to actually see Khago on Best of the Best 2018. That's a big stage for him, and I think he's ready for it. Khago is talented as hell. Make your name up, right?
So that what's no, sir, this is Souflo, this is Souflo. Souflo, you're sure you're this Souflo? That's not so. Oh. I feel brains did pack our bag as if I go walk out to the Souflo. Because I know brains love Francine so much as a struck black over beside this boy. And I know brains is a struck black over beside it. I feel brains pack our bag, you know, as a Souflo. If you don't review Khago album, it over. Me I move out, look a picnic, and go find up a Khago yard and live with the boy Francine. And as a matter of fact, we are going to give him. We are give Khago last year. I feel I get some checked, but good and good, you go good. Let me see if you are going to slip up.
And now, every single track off of the Man album, why?
Yeah.
You have to just sit down and listen to every single track off of the album. And I'm telling you, every single track on this album is a rewind and a playback. There is no friggin' fast forward and skip on this album. The Walk a Mile album is shillings.
I must lie. Somebody tell me that Souflo was in the past. Some farmer jokes are saying that Souflo, you alone that has so much good in you. I swear to God. No, sir. I really Souflo these people. No, sir. No, sir. After we done, I go sleep again. And I pick up from morning. People tell me, say, Khago, you don't want to see Souflo review. Now I say, me don't want to hear it. Because me no want to fight Souflo. I don't want to fight him if he review my album. I don't know, shaky way. But Souflo, you're going on good so far. Because I did around 10 left and figures of Souflo. 10 of them, you know. But right now, you cancel out half of them. I still have 5, make me run through.
Really is Shelley. Let me love you is bad. Stronger, bad. Die for you love, bad. Hold you, bad. Jesus. Lucky, money, walk a mile. When I know say walk a mile, just gone already. But I want to tell you something, walk a mile is not the hottest song on the album. I want to see how walk a mile hot. Walk a mile is
No, sir, somebody call Souflo. Somebody put it back over here, sir. Somebody tell Souflo, say, khago, I scan down in review because Souflo, trust me, that's Souflo. You did go get a beating, you know.
What's up, beautiful people? Yes, you don't know, so what they are once again. Music we are talking about now, people, and we are talking about when the artists them lose themselves and when them find back themselves. Right now, we still can't go find a couple songs where some people I said this, some people I said that, and the artists I said that. But we saw we are saying the artists, so we must say tell the artists do a tune what they are. Same as these vloggers. See, we mention my name and a few more vloggers in a tune sense speed. But people, right now, me day and me khago drop a tune and me I say yes. And this here khago me know, and of them tune and me know khago for drop. Me even go to people listen to the tune name tear down. Tear.
Is your information being bought and sold on the dark web?
Find out with Experian. Go to Experian.com/scan for your one-time dark web scan. It's completely free, so visit Experian.com/scan today.
The terror not clad struggle is real. What's up, people? Hold on, not so I go on. Khago decides him want kill all bloggers. What the mama blood clot this is going on in here? What this? What is not this people's? Seriously, Khago? Seriously? After your career pop down and Nago, it even worse than the old chuck with him Fargo. Khago at this all the bloggers them a joke thing to bumbo clot. Time you focus to write that tune. This in vloggers, you would probably write that tune acknowledging the vloggers them, bigging up the vloggers them, you know. People, remember, the whole industry change. Everything change. You understand? Everything change. Any music drop from the upload, if you not go to blogger, it's like it last. It's like it last. So we as the vloggers, we are the one who have put things on road. So we forget respect. The song you know, I'm gonna review the song like me review any other song. Me also give it word to word same way as me always do when me jump shot them.